Now let us learn how to do the conversions by solving few sums. But before that, we should know a small concept, that is, during the conversion of any unit, whether it is a greater unit to the smaller unit conversion or the conversion is from smaller unit to the greater unit, there is a very important point which we should remember. That is, whenever we convert any greater unit into the smaller unit, we should always multiply. And whenever we convert any smaller unit into a greater unit, we always should divide. So, if you in case forget about these mode of conversions and what operation, mathematical operation you have to follow to do this conversion, I have a small tip for you. That is, just you tell me if we will fall from higher point to a lower point, that is greatest height, or some top to lower. Okay, if we will fall down, you tell me, isn't it danger? What is the symbol of danger? This is the symbol of danger, isn't it? So, when we convert some greater unit to the smaller unit, the symbol is multiplication. It's very danger. The symbol is multiplication. And when we convert any smaller to greater, we will divide. Now, the question arises with what we will multiply and with what we will divide. Come on, let me tell you that. Now, here our units are in a hierarchical order. Whatever the units are in the top, they are greater than the units that are below that unit. Now, if I want to convert from hecto to centi, now hecto, see the position of hecto and position of centi. Hecto is in the top and centi is in the below hecto. Now this means hecto is a greater unit and centi is the smaller unit. So I am converting hecto to centi. My conversion is greater to smaller. When we are coming from greater to smaller, we used to multiply. So with what we will multiply? It's very easy. Just have a look very carefully. You listen. Now when I am trying to convert from hecto to centi, you just see how many units I am skipping to reach centi. I am skipping 1, 2, 3 and then 4. I am skipping 4 units to reach hecto to centi. This means I have to multiply by 1 with 4 zeros. That is 1 with 4 zeros. 1 with 4 zeros means it is equal to how much? 10,000. Or else you can remember this by multiplying by 10 4 times. Means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So suppose, let me give you an example. Suppose 12 hectometer, I am converting it to centimeter. Isn't it? So, from hecto to centi, how many steps I am skipping to reach hecto to centi? I am skipping 4 steps. This means when I want to convert, I have to multiply. I have to multiply the value of the measurement by how much? How many steps I am skipping? That many tens I have to multiply. So, 4 steps, 4 times I will multiply 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times I have multiplied 10 and my units now will change into hecto to centimeter. Now you just multiply and write the product. That is 12 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros you will get. Centimeters. Or else directly also you can write. What I said, when you are converting from hecto to centi, we are skipping 4 steps means we can multiply the measurement with 1 with 4 zeros. That is, the measuring value is, we have measurement value, constant value is 12. You can multiply it 1 with 4 zeros, that is 10,000, and my units will change from centimeter to hectometer to centimeter. This is equal to 1,20,000 centimeters. So this is the way how you will do the conversion of some greater to smaller unit. Okay. Now similarly, let us do one more conversion. Suppose I want to convert from kilogram to gram. Kilogram to gram. Suppose I have 2 kgs or 2 kilogram and I want to convert it into grams. I want to convert it into grams. So again the case is greater unit to smaller unit conversion. So what I have to do? I have to multiply. So with what I will multiply? So let us check how many steps we are skipping to reach from kilo to grams. I am skipping 1, 2 and 3. As I am skipping 3 steps to reach from kilo to grams, what I have to do? I have to multiply the value with 1 with 3 zeros. That is 2 into 1 with 3 zeros means 1000, and my unit will change from kg to grams, and this will be equal to 2000